Let me show you how I make my locks flat under my wig. Grab your edge control, a hair tie, and a few stocking caps. Don't forget your comb as well as an edge brush. You're going to take your edge brush into your edge control and you're going to use that to lay all the hair around the perimeter of your head. Then I go in with some more product down the middle of my hair to just make sure that the middle is also flat. Use your comb to distribute the product. Depending how long your hair is, you'll need a hair tie, but since mine is short, I just put my cap on directly. After I put on my cap, I mold my locks so that it says flat on the sides and down the middle, and I typically use 3 to 4 caps. Pretty straightforward and easy. After this part, I'm just going to show you guys the steps that I take to install the unit. This is a 13 by 6 synthetic unit, very easy to work with. Spray your hair adhesive on your hairline and just bring your unit down to that area and start to work it into the spray adhesive that you use. Once your unit is secure, I go in with a cream foundation to just make sure that I'm getting an ultimate melt with the lace. I go over this portion with the blow dryer to just make sure that the cream foundation and the melting spray works together to really give me that ultimate melt. Then I tie down my hair tie, take it down, and then I'm just gonna blow dry the hair because this is a synthetic hair. I haven't worn it for a while, so it did get a bit tangly. So heat is gonna be your best friend when it comes to synthetic units. I'm gonna go in with my flat iron very, very quickly to just, like I said, add some heat to the unit to just help with tangling and maintenance of the unit. So that's it. This unit is very thick. It's a yaki straight texture, so it is thicker. So that also helps with my locks underneath. You can't really see any bulk. But please let me know if you guys have any other questions, and I hope this helped. See you guys on the next one. Bye.